Welcome to our channel, where we explore intriguing financial concepts and strategies. Today, we delve into the timeless wisdom of hold your cash. In a world obsessed with spending and investing, the idea of holding cash often gets overlooked. But history tells us a different story. Let's travel back to the early 20th century. During the Roaring Twenties, the stock market was booming, and everyone seemed to be making fortunes. But then came the infamous Black Tuesday in 1929. The stock market crashed, wiping out fortunes overnight. Those who had held onto their cash instead of investing everything saw an opportunity. They were able to buy stocks, real estate, and businesses at deeply discounted prices. And as the economy recovered, they emerged stronger and wealthier than before. Fast forward to the 2008 financial crisis. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more insights into financial strategies and historical lessons. Until next time, hold your cash wisely. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more insights into financial strategies and historical lessons. Until next time, hold your cash wisely.